Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see demo for Farmer Harvest MERN web application. So first open the MongoDB. Then click on the connect. Left side you can able to see the backend database on this project. Here you can see the backend database on these tables and then go to the user. Here you will see the three type of user login and then you can see the role and identify the user type. Next go to the Visual Studio. First explore the SRC folder. Then you can see the backend and the client folder. First go to the backend folder. Here you can see the modules and the routers. Here you can see the project role field names on this page. And then go to the routers. Here you can see the project post and get codes. Next go to the client folder. Click on the SRC and then click on the component folder. Here you can see the React.js components files on this page. Here you can see the project pages on this page. Then go to the readme text. Here you can see the how to open the project and login details. And then you will start the backend and the client folder terminal. So go to the terminal and click on the new terminal. First give the CD backend. So copy the CD backend and paste the browser terminal. Then install the node modules. So copy the npm install and paste the terminal. I have already installed. So I will go to the next step. Copy the npm start and paste the terminal. Now backend server is connected. Then open the client terminal. Click on the plus. Now open the new terminal. So copy the CD client. Then paste to the browser terminal. Here also download the npm node modules. Then copy the npm run div. Paste to the terminal. Now client server also connected. Then you can see the URL link. Copy to paste the browser. Now you can see the Farmer Harvest web application. It's have two roles, login and register. First go to the register. Here you will be register the three type of user. So first select the user type, user and service provider and then buyer. User is the farmer. So first select the user type, then you will give the user name, then give the email, then enter the password, then give the mobile number and city. Then click on the sign up. Your password must contain at least one capital letter, one special character, then length of 8 digits. Now register successfully. Next, go to the login role. If you already registered, you can use your email ID and password. Then log in into your profile. Enter the email ID. Then password. Then select the role. Now you can see the user homepage. User will be post the harvest requirement details and then post the crop sales details. And then user will be manage the requesters. First go to the post harvest details. Here you will be post needed harvest tools requirement. So you give the vehicle name and manpower. And then give the crop details. And then acre. Then select the duration date. Then enter your address and mobile number. Then submit. Now create successfully. After you post the requirement, here you can see your harvest requirement details. And then you will update and delete the requirements. Next you will update the geo map. Click on the geo map. Now location will be updated successfully. Then go to the show map. Here you will be check your location. This post will be see the service provider and then send the request. So go to the my harvest request. Here you can see the service provider request. See the vehicle and the contact details. Then update your status. Click on the update status and then select the update and submit. Now update successfully. Then you will go to the show map. Here you can see the service provider location. Next go to the post crop sale. Here you will be sell your crop details on this page. So choose the crop file for image. And then give the name and then quantity. Next enter your address and mobile number. Then submit. Now submit successfully. And then you will see your crop details on this page. Here you will be update your image on this page, crop image. So click on the edit image, then you will update the images. Next click on you will update and delete the crop sale details. Edit and delete the page. Then update your geo map. So click on the geo map, then update your current location. Then you will check the show map. Next go to the my crop request. Here you can see the buyer request on this page. And then see the crop name and the mobile number, and then you will see the bidding details. Then you will see the receipt. Then update the status. Click on the update status and then update the status and give the report. Then go to the show map. Here you can see the buyer location. Next, go to the post harvest service provider. Here you can see the service provider posters, and then you can see the vehicle and post manpower. If you need the vehicle and manpower, and then you will contact to the service provider. Then you can give the feedback on this page. Click on the feedback and give the name and feedback, then submit. And then go to the show map. Here you can see the service provider location. Next, go to the crop buyers. Here you can see the all crop purchase details. Then you can see the buyer's name, crop name and price. The price will be affordable. You will sell your crop to the buyer. Then go to the show map. Here you can see the buyer location. Then my profile is used to update your contact details. Next we will be move for the admin. So enter the email ID and password. Then select the role. Now we can see the admin homepage. Admin will be manage the two modules. Admin can approve the buyers and view the user and service provider details. First go to the view buyer details. Here you will be see the all buyer details and the contact detail. Then you will check to give the approval, update the status and then submit. Next go to the view user and service provider details. Here you can see the user and service provider contact details. Next we will move for the buyer login. So enter the email ID. And then select the role. Now we can see the buyer homepage. Buyer will be view the crop sale details and give the request and then post the crop purchase. First go to the view crop sale details. Here you will be see the all crop details on this page and then you will search to see the crop info. Here you can see the crop name and quantity. Then you will see the crop seller contact details. Then you will purchase the crop. Go to the request and then give the request on this page. So enter the name and the bidding details. Then give your mobile number and then go to the show map. Here you can see the farmer location. Next go to the my crop request. Here you can see your crop sale request on this page. So and then you will see the status on this page. Status will be update accept and then go to the show map. Here you can see the farmer location. Then you will upload the receipt on this page. Go to the upload receipt and then choose the file and save. Next go to the post crop purchase. Here you will be post our crop name and your buy price and then give the address and mobile number. This is C for the farmers and then give to the request. Then go to the my crop purchase. Here you will be see the your crop purchase details. And then if you want to delete and update, here you will be update and delete the post. And then click on the geo map. Now you can update your current location and then you will check the show map. Next we will move for the service provider. Enter the email ID and password. Then select the role. Now we can see the service provider homepage. Service provider will be managed to post the service and waive the request. First go to the post service. Here you will be post your service details. So enter the name and vehicle name and then give your manpower details, then address and mobile number. After you post the service, then go to the view my service. Here you will be see your all service details on this page, and then you will update and delete the service posters, and then click on the geo map, update your location. Go to the show map. Here you will be see your updated location. Next, go to the view harvest details. Here you can see the former requirement post, and then you will search to see the info. Then you have the vehicle and the manpower. Then you will click give the request. Enter the name and mobile number. Then submit. And then you will go to the show map. Here you can see the former location. Next, go to the my request. Here you can see your request and then update status. Then my profile is used to update your contact details. That's the whole farmer harvest MERN web application.
Code shopping.